Enjoy the view of this 2018 Nissan Murano. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy a view of this Nissan Murano, the sophisticated midsize crossover that prioritizes comfort and leverages a suite of advanced tech to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, smart device integration, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.